everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have yet another finale. I know it's a very shocking thing, but this one is for Project Polish. I decided to do this about a week and a half early just because I'm throwing in the towel. I am throwing in the towel. I was going to give myself another week or so and have this as one of my last videos to see if I could finish up some more, but it's just not going to happen. So I'm ripping off that band-aid, so to speak, because this has been holding me up from doing my nail inventory because I don't want to have to like separate everything out. It's just a hassle sometimes. So this way, I'm filming this. I'm going to be able to do my nail inventory so that I can get onto my other makeup inventory and get that done before the end of the year. So lo and behold, this is it for Project Polish for this year. Again, I'm on the fence about next year. I don't know what I'm doing. So let's do this. I have 3 empties, which I'm very happy for. I wish I could have more than those 3, but I will take 3 empties. So the first one, these 3, I'm not really that surprised about. First one is from Wet n Wild. This was 437D. It had no real name. It was gorgeous. It was a deep like jelly red with like silvery red glitters in it. I enjoyed it quite a bit, and 'tis the time of year for redness, so that one is done. This one is from Creative Nail Design. It was in Glowing. This one is absolutely done. It was easy to get used up. I completely forget about this sometimes, and when I'm doing my updates, I don't really pay attention to it a whole lot. It's just such a bland color that it blends in with my skin. I mean, I know it's more on the orangey side, but I forget about it. Sometimes I will use that as a base to do like eyeshadow looks, glitter looks, stuff like that, and I just don't think about it anymore. And then the last one, again, not surprised with this one. It is covered in stuff that was in my empties bin. This is, I think it's called Gina Girl. Let me double check on that one. It's from e.l.f. Yes, it is called Gina Girl. It is a purple glitter. I don't know if you're going to be able to see through it. I can see through it this way because of the way the lights are. It's done. I turned it like every which way in order to get that baby done, and she is done. I have tons of stuff that I was not really even using, so I'm going to show you all of them. I'm not going to go over them individually because why? I might have used a couple of them, but nothing to show even progress on. So those are ones that I showed no love to, but I finished 3, and then I have 4 here that I actually do have some progress on, and I was able to put a new line on them. So we'll start with the reds because, you know, it is that time of year. You can see my lines here. It's not amazing, but I am down here at this line. I probably could finish this off by the end of the year. I'll probably like put it on my toes or something and it'll probably be done. It is so stinking close, but again, I just wanted to get this done, so I did that. Next is technically called Tender Tan, but I have frankened it, so I went from here down to here. Made good progress on that, but the bottle gets wider, so that makes it a little bit more difficult. And then the last 2 are glitters. This one is from Sally Hansen. I don't even remember what it's called, but I went from the green down to the red. Not a lot in there. And this one still has tons of it. It is from Artmatic. It is like a bazillion years old. It has a number of 520. It's, you know, it doesn't have a name. And you can see my progress lines from there to there. This was not a focus polish by any means, but it looked nice over some stuff, so I used it. And yeah, that is pretty much everything for this update. And I do feel like I probably could have finished this red off, but I'll be quite honest with you, the last 2 or 3 manicures, I've been using gels. I've been using gel polish. That's what I have on my nails now. And it's because I've been so stinking busy. This time of year is busy anyway. I had to do my kids' portfolios for homeschooling. It's the holiday season. You have to shop, you have to wrap, you have to do this, that, cook, everything. And yeah, I'm stupid busy and I don't have time to do my nails. So I've actually been doing my gels on tips and then putting them on because it just lasts longer for me because I chip polish like nobody's business. My hands are always busy. So yeah, I've been doing that, and I probably will do that through the end of the year just because I don't have time to mess with my nail polish. That one time, I think I mentioned it in another video, the one time that I had just done my nails but then had to take my kids out to see Santa because he was coming on the fire truck. And then I had to do my nails all over again just so I could sit down and film because I can't stand my nails looking bad when I film. And that was like the last straw for me. So that's why I'm doing this. And I've said in other videos, I really want to play around with my stuff. I want to be able to do nail art. I think I mentioned that I wanted to be making my own press on nails, which is what I've done. And I have a few other sets that I have been working on. Nothing fancy yet. I'm not at that level yet because I've been out of the wow, I can't talk. I've been out of the workforce as far as being a nail tech for so long. And there's so many new things. Like gel polish wasn't even a thing when I stopped working in a salon. That tells you how long, or it was just starting to become a thing. It wasn't a very well-known thing, I should say. So yeah, it's been a while. And another thing is, with me being so busy, it's because I'm doing other ventures. And I wasn't sure if I was going to say anything about it, but Dana keeps saying I should say something because, because she thinks that I should. And like, I kind of want to, and I feel very awkward about it. But I do have another YouTube channel. It is not monetized, and it is nothing like this channel, which is why I have hesitated to even say anything about it. But I do have a very lo-fi ASMR channel, and I need my nails to look good for that as well, which the gels help a lot. And if anybody watches ASMR and you want to subscribe or anything, that would be awesome. It's Beautiful Butterfly ASMR. And I do a lot of stuff with makeup on there, but it's more like rummages and stuff like that, tapping, scratching, those types of things. I don't really speak because, yeah, I speak a lot for these videos and I don't need to put it in those videos. I may in the future, but I don't. I'm gonna save that for Dora if she ever does her ASMR channel, because I think that would be a good niche for her. That is not for me. I'm not a good soft-spoken person. I'm a little bit more abrupt, and I like sounds. I'm definitely like a nail tapping, scratching kind of person. And oddly enough, and I think this is the appropriate video to mention it, some of my more popular videos on there, and again, this is a new channel, so I don't have a ton of subscribers yet, but some of my most popular videos are me rummaging around in all of my nail polishes. I will literally spread my nail polishes all over my desk, have an overhead camera, and just move my bottles of nail polish around, and I just love the sound of it. And apparently other people like that too, because yeah, they're pretty darn popular. So that is what I'm doing with this project. That is what I'm doing with my busy life. Why my nails are not covered in nail polish but gel polish lately, with the tips and everything like that, because you know everything is hand movements and sounds and stuff like that on my other channel. So it's all relevant in my world. It's just kind of weird in this world. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.